Hi, I'm Susan. I'm from California, and I just finished a week with Diane Kochilas's cooking class. It was an amazing week. I have been interested in the blue zones for some time now because they are the last places on earth where people are living a very long time with a healthy lifestyle. And Diane, this is so much more than a cooking school. We cooked for about 4 hours every day and made amazing meals, and Diane is a fantastic cook and has wonderful helpers, but it's so much more than that. I looked at the people in our hotel who were tourists, and they came to Ikaria, they went to the beach, they ate in a restaurant, they took some yoga, they went home and thought they knew something about Ikaria. But we got so much more this week. Diane set up so many trips to so many different places. We learned so much about the history and the lifestyle. We met so many interesting people. It was such a full week. I could not imagine how it could be improved. If you're at all interested in cooking or blue zones or longevity or Greece for that matter, I highly recommend it.